Hey guys, are you ready to unleash your inner child? Remember the thrills of the RC cars when you were a kid? Well, get ready to get back into it again and experience all of that. This is the DEERC 9005E, a 1/14 all-terrain car. It's not just for kids. This is a beast built for serious fun no matter your age, but it definitely leans towards that first RC experience. Let's talk about some of the features and benefits. We're talking over 40 kilometers per hour. That's fast enough to leave the competition in the dust, as long as they don't have a mid-range RC car. If you got a beginner car, this one's pretty darn quick. There's lots of power. It's got a four-wheel drive system. This thing can handle pretty much anything you throw at it. I'm showing you in the gravel, in the dirt, in the sand, flying in the air. It even comes with these awesome LED headlights, which look amazing. They say you can use it at night, but it's really more like it just looks amazing. The kit comes with 2 batteries so you can keep the fun going for longer. Let's be honest, we work hard, we deserve to play hard too. If you're looking to get back into exploring RC cars, this DEERC is a perfect way to de-stress, kind of relive your childhood, and maybe even connect with your kids through it. If you already know this is what you're looking for, there's a link down below to grab one. If not, hang out. I'm going to come back after I got done playing with this and give you my real-world experience, kind of make some comparisons, some more detail to the conversation. Let's go see what I thought about it after I got done shooting all this. Okay, this RC is absolutely awesome, but let's talk about some of the features you might want to know about. These shock absorbers are metal. I think they're metal caps. I'm going to guess that the tube is plastic, but metal caps. And they do actually feel pretty good for a starter level shock absorber. As you can see, the chassis has attenuators in the front and the rear to take up some of the impact. We're equipped with a full metal 2 kilogram servo, which works really nicely. It's got a little dinky battery. The motor is brushed, but it's an RC390, so it gives you about 21,000 RPMs. The ESC is IPX4 waterproof. They claim that this combination is good for 40 kilometers per hour, which the best I got out of it was 19 miles an hour, which is really pretty good for an entry-level hobby class car. The last thing I wanted to talk about is the differentials front, rear, and center are all metal, so it should be nice and durable. Listen, overall, my experience with this was absolutely amazing, like, for what it is, right? This is not like a full crazy race car that you expect all kinds of wild performance, but for a entry-level RC, it is so competent and so solid, super durable, a ton of fun to drive. I think if you're looking for that first RC car to get back into it, or something to do with the kids, or even if you're getting this for the kids, can't go wrong with this. This thing's really great. As I mentioned before, there are links down below. It helps out the channel if you use them. Remember to like, subscribe, follow while you're down there, and also throw in a comment. Is this for you or is this for the kids? Do you looking at something else? Let's talk about it. Let's work on it. I hope you've been enjoying this crash fest here at the end. It's a lot of fun making all this stuff. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.